Hello and welcome to Finance 101. In today's video, I would like to share with you a little problem I was having trying to deposit money into my Binance Canada account. So I was trying to deposit money into my account and I was having problems. So what did I do? What I did was call my bank. My bank is RBC, and talk to a representative saying that I tried to deposit money into my bank, to my Binance account using credit and debit card, but it kept coming back and was not working. And what she told me was that it's just what the government has put in place, that some of this site are not safe for Canadians to go on there. You can lose your money. It's very risky trying to invest in the cryptocurrency. That's why I was not allowed to deposit money into my account. So after that, I went and looked around and find out that there is another way that you can still deposit money into your Binance Canada account without using the credit or the debit card. So what I found out was that you can still deposit money to your Binance Canada account by using P2P trading. So what is P2P trading? P2P trading is peer-to-peer trading. So what it is basically you can use your Canadian dollar and buy, say, Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency on Binance. So I'm going to show you step by step how to deposit money into your account using Interac. So first of all you got to do is log into your Binance account. I'm using a tablet because I figure most people will use their phone or tablet to deposit money on the account. It's just a little easier. Even if you're on the road, you can still do it. So when you log in, your account should look just like this one. If it doesn't look like this, it's because maybe you're running on the light version. So to switch that around, it's simple. You just have to go on the top left-hand corner, the little picture over here, and click on it. You click on it and it will take you to this page. And where it says under the VIP, it says Binance Lite. So you switch on the right hand side. You click on the little switch and it'll switch you to Binance Lite because I'm on the Pro right now. So when you switch to the Binance Lite, this is how it's going to look like. But what we are working on is the Pro one. So I'm going to go back, do the same thing and switch it back to Pro. So it looks just like how it was before. So I turned it off now. And we are back on the Pro one. Okay. So now all you have to do is just follow along. And this won't take long at all. It's really easy. The time you're done, you figure it out. It wasn't hard at all. So what we're going to do is now we're going to click on P2P trading on the left-hand corner. So when you click on P2P trading, it will take you to this site right here. And as you can see on the top left-hand corner, these are the 6 cryptos that you can use your Canadian money to buy. So you got a USDT, you got a BTC, you got BUSD, you got BNB, you got ETH, and you got DAI. So you can buy any of this crypto to be able to purchase any other crypto you want. If you want to purchase SafeMoon, Cardano, whatever crypto you want, you need to buy one of this 6 first. And after, you can use that to buy whatever crypto that you want to buy after. So as you can see over here, the top price, the top one here that you can buy from is, you can buy $20 to $1,300 from this person. So pay attention to that, because if you are gonna buy $10 worth, you won't be able to buy, because the minimum you can buy is $20. The maximum you can buy is $13.94. Okay, that's one thing to look at. And also look on the right hand side over here, where it said this person has done 2,112 trade and got 99%. So that's really good, considering how many trades the person have done, and so have that high rating on there. So that's really good. It'd be a good person to buy it from. Another thing I would like to point out is, if you scroll down, the more you scroll down, the higher the prices goes. So pay attention to that too. Another thing is, you gotta make sure that on your account it stays on buy, because we are buying over here. And also up here, make sure it's Canadian. And one last thing is the filter down here. We're gonna filter that out and make it interact, because that's what we want to use to buy. So the first thing is the top left hand corner say buy, that's no problem. And where it say Canadian, if yours don't say Canadian, just click on it. When you click on, it should open up where it says select currency. So you can type in the Canadian dollar, so you can type it in, or you can scroll down, and when you get to it right here, you can choose it. So you just, mine has already been chosen, so I don't have to do it again, but just to show everyone else, I can choose it. Then you come back. The next thing we're gonna do is go into the filter. So you can click on the filter, and again, make sure it's an interact, because that's what we're going to use to make our deposit. Okay. So you can go on the bottom here and click yes when you're done. And you're back to the page now. So what I'm gonna do now is, because I got lucky and got the cheapest one on top, because I want to buy $50 worth, and this person is selling $20 and up, so I can buy straight from the first person. So I'm gonna click on the right hand corner buy, and when I click on buy, it'll bring me to this page here, and I'm gonna type in $50 because that's how much I want to buy. So you should pay attention to the message on the bottom. It says, attention, please read the following terms and conditions carefully. Failure to comply might result in failed transaction and financial losses. So basically, you go ahead and you read everything down there, the terms and conditions on the bottom, before you buy it. This is not my first time doing this, so I already read it, so I don't need to read it over again. And so when I put the $50, as you can see, it's gonna give me down here That's how much I'm going to receive. My $50. And I'm supposed to receive 0.09033 of BNB. And also make sure that I think it's automatic. It's going to be on by fiat. So I think both of them are automatic. You don't have to do nothing about that. So when you're ready to move on, you simply click on buy BNB and it will take you to the next page here. And as you can see, you give me 15 minutes over here to complete this transaction. So next thing I'm going to do is down here, click on transfer the fund. When I do that, it will show me the person's name and email. So when it show me the name and the email, I'm going to go to in my bank account and send them the email transfer. So I click it now and it shows me that the information and everything, make sure you transfer the money, matching the verification name. So basically it's saying that if whatever name that you registered Binance with, it'll be better if your bank account is under the same name, because it'd be a lot faster for them to transfer the money. So I got it, and so what it is over here now, it has the person's name over here and his email address here. So what I gotta do now is I gotta go to my bank and transfer the money versus Interact. And then after I transfer it, I'm gonna come back here and go to next over here, click say transfer over here. So I'm gonna put the video on pause for now, and I'm gonna do that and I'll come right back. And I sent the money, so now I can go to next and go to next, and after I'm waiting till down here it said after the fund has been transferred, remember to click on transfer next. Okay, so I did that already. Now I'm waiting for him so I can come up here where it says chat, and I'm gonna talk to him because I have to give him the password. He just asked me, if you can see that, he just asked me right here what the security answer is. He's waiting for it, so I'm gonna tell him what it is so he can release the money to me. Okay, so he just came in and it's showing that I got it now. So I just have got it now. So all I gotta do now is I put in how much I receive, the price over here, all the information. Okay, so now we are back on the main Binance website, the home page. So now I'm going to show you where your money went after you deposit into Binance. So on the bottom right hand corner, you can see wallet. So click on the wallet and it will bring you here. So if you don't see yours looking like this, just make sure you click on the P2P at the top. And then if you scroll down, you're going to see on BNB, we have 0.9033260, just like we ordered. So as P2P alone, you can't buy anything with it. So what you need to do next is transfer it to your spot wallet. So on the top right hand corner, click on transfer. On the bottom, click on transfer again. And when you come to transfer here, you can see it said P2P wallet to spot wallet. On the bottom, it said BTC. We don't own no BTC, so we need to change to BNB. So we change it to BNB. And now you can press max if you want to transfer the whole thing. And it's showing how much we have. And we transfer and it will go to our spot wallet. I'm not going to transfer to my spot wallet right now because I like buying things at Trust Wallet. So I would like to transfer my money to my spot wallet and right away transfer it to my Trust Wallet. And that way I can buy the crypto I want to buy from there. You can also buy crypto at Binance, but I find that most of the cryptos at Binance is not standalone. It's always attached to something else. And I like just owning what I want to own and nothing else attached to it. So I'm going to end the video right here. And on my next video, I'm going to show you how if you want to buy a Binance, you can buy it, or you transfer your money to Trust Wallet, where you can buy crypto there too. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and I see you on the next one. Peace.